Hello everyone and welcome to this weekly technical analysis video here at xn.com. So this week we're going to look at the RBA policy meeting, the UK CPI and the from the US Core PCE index. So starting from the RBA this week, only the RBA will be having a policy meeting among the world's major central banks, when it means on Wednesday most people expected to decide to increase interest rates by 25 basis points. This will be the 12th consecutive hike since the cycle began in October of last year, bringing the cash rate to 5.5%, the highest of any developed nation. So having a look at New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, we can see that the price is holding above the short-term SMAs and is moving near the 0.60 to 65 number. So if there are any climbs above this area here, then it may challenge the 0.6390 resistance level, which is a crucial barrier as it has several times tested it in the preceding a couple of months. Any movements higher than it may challenge the 8-month peak of 0.6530 and it will switch the outlook to neutral. On the flip side now, any drops beneath the short-term SMAs, then it may move towards the 0.6175 support level ahead of the 200-day SMA near 0.6150 and this minor uptrend line around 0.6130. Any movements beneath this line, it may challenge again this 3.5-month low of 0.6080 and it will switch the medium-term outlook to neutral. Having a look now at the technical oscillators, the RSI is pointing down near the 50 level, while the MACD is holding beneath its trigger line. Moving next, the preferred Fed price indicator core PCE is expected to have slowed by 0.2 percentage points to 4.4% in April after a month of stagnation in the 4.6 to 4.5% range. This will be a positive development. So looking at the euro dollar, the price found a bottom around 1.0760 and is currently challenging the 1.0825 support, while even higher the 1.0910, which overlaps with the 50 and the 20-day SMAs, will be a crucial level to have in mind. So any movements above the short-term SMAs, then it may move towards the 13-month peak of 1.1095 ahead of the March of 2022 peak of 1.1180. Alternatively, if this pullback continues to the downside, then it may move towards the 200-day SMA near 1.0680 ahead of the 7-week low around 1.0530. The technical oscillators are showing some contradicting signs. The RSI is pointing down in the negative region. However, the stochastic posted a bullish crossover within its percentage K and percentage D line, suggesting that we may have some bullish correction. So moving forward now, the headline rate of UK CPI is anticipated to have dipped below 10% for the first time in April, falling to 8.3% from 10.1% in March, and the core figure is anticipated to decrease to 5.7%. So looking at GBPUSD, the price is moving near the 50-day SMA, with the next support coming from the 1.2350 and the 1.2270 area, which is also coinciding with this long-term uptrend line. So any declines beneath this area here, it may move towards the 1.20 psychological mark and the 20-day SMA around 1.1960, shifting the outlook to bearish. On the flip side now, any movements above the 20-day SMA, which is currently hovering around 1.2517, then it may move towards the 1-year high of 1.2679 ahead of the 1.2855, which is also overlapping with the 200 weekly SMA. The technical oscillators now, the RSI and the MACD, are showing some weak momentum. The MACD is holding beneath its trigger line and the RSI is also pointing down beneath the neutral threshold of 50. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.